In this video we are going to see some use of the scanner class, which is used to perform user input. So for a scanner class we must write scanner, which is the name of the class, and ss is the name of the object of the class, new scanner, and system.in. Children, this system.in means actually that we are going to use input stream which is connected with the keyboard, or we can say we want to use keyboard for the user input. How to use a scanner class? Before we want to use a scanner class, we need to write this line, which is import java.util.asterisk. This util is a package, or we can say it is a sub package of Java package. It simply means there is a folder Java, inside that there is another folder, inside that there are so many utilities within this util, and one of the utility is a scanner, which we are going to use in this video, in this program. And this ss is what? Ss is nothing but ss is the object of the scanner class. Before you want to use the facilities provided by or operations provided by any class, you need to create the object of that class. So that's why we have made the object of this class here. It is ss. It can be any. It can be sc. It can be abc. It can be your name. It can be your name, it can be my name. Okay, so here it is ABC or it is SS, no issues. Now in this further we want to input some primitive data type values. First value is integer we will input, and then we will input a floating value, which is B, and then we will be using a double value, which is C. And now first we are going to input a integer value, enter a number. So here how to input? In order to input an integer value, you need to write ss, which is the object of the scanner class, dot next int is one of the operation of the scanner class, one of the behavior of the scanner class. It is one of the method of the scanner class. And now we have printed this. So you just print this. Here you have entered 10. Now you can see you have got that value entered. And now I want to enter a floating value in this variable B. So how to use? ss dot next float. This is how we can input a floating value like this. So first of all integer, and then 1012.2, which is a floating value here. So we have entered that. And after that I would like to input a double type value. So in order to input a double type value, enter a number again. So here, which is a double type value, I am going to input. So here it is 10, 20, and here 23.4. So here we have entered a double type value. So children, these are the three functions which you will be using later on in some more programs. And now after that I would like to tell you how to input string values. So first of all, how to input a word from the scanner class. String is a class which holds group of alphabets. And these group of alphabets might represent your name, they might represent the name of your city, they might represent the name of your country, they might represent a paragraph, like that. So here enter a word. So here, in order to input a word, we should write ss.next only. This is the function. This is the function we will be using, next function of the scanner class. And here you see, if you input India, you can see that here it is on the screen. And now suppose you want to input a word, or sorry, if you want to input a sentence, then what you will do? So for sentence there is another function. And what is that function? Here enter a sentence. So here, in order to input a sentence, you should write send is ss.next line, and here just write send. So children, suppose you want to input a sentence. Suppose here you want to input India as my country. You see that it is on the screen. We have managed to input this. So these following methods we will be using in next coming videos. I hope you have understood this concept of scanner class. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks.